come here today to see a special type of wetland called a fen, and it's always such a pleasure to visit Bruce Peninsula National Park. Over the last few videos, we have visited all 5 main wetland types: a marsh, a swamp, and shallow open water. These are mineral wetlands that do not have a thick layer of peat. We've also been to 2 bogs, and today a fen. These are organic wetlands where, you guessed it, there is a thick layer of peat. And now we're going to see what makes this a fen. Both bogs and fens are mostly peat moss. Bogs are stagnant and have no major water source other than rain. But fens, like you see here, have water moving through them in these small green streams. A common plant in bogs and fens is the pitcher plant. The plant has leaves that form a tube. Insects are lured by the sweet-smelling nectar, and once they fall into the tube, it's almost impossible to get out. The prey is digested and provides the plant with lots of nutrients. This one is just starting to grow back in the spring. This is a jack pine. It looks kind of straggly and has 2 short needles attached together but separated into a V. The cones are coated in resin that will only open when it's very hot. Do you see the tree this brown-headed cowbird is in? It is a tamarack, just growing back its needles after losing them in the winter. Tamaracks have lots of needles that grow together in clumps. The streams through the fen collect to form a larger stream that empties into Lake Huron. We'll take a walk on this beach later, but first the trail continues along a section with lots of birds. This park has some small sand dunes. We have to be sure not to walk on the dunes so we protect this rare and important ecosystem. Singing Sands is almost across the street from the entrance to Cypress Lake Campground and the Grotto. It is a part of the Bruce Peninsula National Park, so there is a National Park Day Pass fee in the summer months. The fee is collected at the gate or using the machines in the parking lot. You cannot reserve a parking spot, and it is very busy in the summer, so plan to arrive early. The trail is 2.5 kilometers, part of it on a wheelchair-accessible boardwalk through the fen.